Cabinet number 20.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Juliana Alexi Manuela Castro, representing the vibrant and faith-ridden town of Palit, Pampanga!
Biloxi used to be extremely shy and insecure because of bullying that was rooted in colorism and homophobia. Most people don't know this very confidence basic in Biloxi now was built through years of self-love and healing. From Apani, Pampanga, Juliana Alexi Manuela Castro. Ali Pampanga, Juliana Alexi Emanuela Castro.
Miss Ada. Okay. I'm curious lang first, ilang inches yung heels mo ngayon? 8 inches. So what's your height talaga?
Quite good.
So do you think embracing your true height can make you win this puzzle? Or do you think you need to show us like wearing the kind of heels na parang asa pala yung pagpapagawin sa kami na you can be our next Mr. Oriental winner with that kind of heels?
I think being a beautiful doesn't mean perfect or tall or beautiful. It means having a nice soul and beautiful